Let's make Russian dressing. Start by peeling your onion. I only need about a tablespoon of the onion, so I'm going to chop the rest up for later use. Keep the root of your onion intact because we're going to grate it using a microplaner or a box grater. The juice of the onion really adds to the flavor. In goes 1 cup of mayonnaise. You can use homemade or store-bought. I'm using Hellmann's because I love the flavor. To this goes a 1/4 cup of ketchup, or you could use a spicy chili ketchup if you really want some extra kick, a teaspoon of hot sauce, and of course you can add more to your spice preferences, a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and a 1/4 teaspoon of sweet smoked paprika. This helps add to the beautiful pinky color and gives it just a slight smoky flavor. Mix that all together and then give it a taste. You may need to season with some salt. I ended up using about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt just to balance the flavors, but season yours to your own taste. If you want to make this dressing in advance or use it for salads, pop it in a jar, stick it in the fridge, and it will last for up to a week.
I like the texture of my dressing to be really smooth, so everything that's gone in is creamy or grated really fine, but you could add horseradish for an extra kick or even some finely chopped pickles. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.